Here we have negative 2a to the power of 3 times ab to the power of 4 squared. And what we want to do is simplify. So first, let us recognize that we cannot do anything with the negative 2a to the power of 3 yet. First, let us remove the brackets, and we'll do that by multiplying the 2 into the exponent of b and to the exponent of a. So we'll have negative 2a to the power of 3 times a to the power of 1 times 2, b to the power of 4 times 2. And this 1 comes from a, because there's no exponent of a, then that is 1. So let us quickly simplify. So we have negative 2a to the power of 3, a squared, b to the power of 8. Now the next law of exponents that I can use is by adding the exponents together when the bases are the same. So we'll have negative 2a to the power of 5, b to the power of 8. Notice that I'm only adding the exponents of a together to get to a to the power of 5.